Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 16 Pro is updated, and that Face ID, notifications, and haptics are enabled so the island responds correctly. Tap an app that uses Dynamic Island, music, timers, or phone call so you see the live pill at the top. Once done, notice how the island expands and shows contextual info. That visual feedback is how you'll control quick interactions. Make sure to hold for half a second to register long press gestures and to avoid accidental taps. You now learn how to interact. Tap the dynamic island to expand a compact card and long press to reveal detailed controls like playback or timer settings. While it's expanded, swipe left or right to move between active tasks or drag down to dismiss a notification cleanly. Once you master these gestures, you can run 2 live activities simultaneously, like music plus navigation, and switch focus without leaving your current app. Remember to use subtle taps. Firm presses trigger different options. You finish by closing live activities or dismissing cards to return the dynamic island to its idle state, which preserves battery and keeps the UI tidy. If animations freeze or the island becomes unresponsive, restart your iPhone. Often a simple reboot clears the issue. If you still don't see expected alerts, make sure the app has notification permissions and haptics enabled in settings. If necessary, toggle the app's notification permission off and on to reset its behavior. That quick check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.